Welcome to MontanaSky Networks, a leader in fiber optic network deployment across northwest Montana. We're looking for dedicated individuals to join our network customer installation services and repair team, a group that's all about building and sustaining the backbone of modern communication, from the tops of utility poles or underground neighborhood vaults direct to our customers' network Wi-Fi equipment. At MontanaSky, we're committed to safety, productivity, and efficiency. As part of this team, you'll tackle a dual-purpose role installing and repairing fiber optic drop cables from utility poles off to our customers' buildings. Sometimes we bury these customer drops underground in trenches. Then we install network interface device boxes on the outside and optical network terminals on the inside, which then connect to the customer's router, point-to-point radios and Wi-Fi systems. It's always possible the job requires using bucket trucks and ladders, or working below ground with trenchers or hand digging. Your work ensures reliable networks for our communities. You'll handle delicate, costly equipment with care and keep our sites safe. Your professional conduct is expected among other team members, MontanaSky team leaders, supervisors, supporting department team members, customers, and the general public. Courtesy is key. If you have some or all of the needed skills required for this job, we want to talk. No experience? No problem. We welcome the right motivated beginners with great work ethics, and will provide full training in aerial work, underground techniques, and safety protocols. If you're physically fit, team-oriented, and ready to work outdoors in Montana's wind, snow, or sun, and be able to transition into our customers' home or offices and keep them track-free and clean, we respect our customers' clean and tidy lifestyles and want to keep them that way. A driver's license is a must, and a CDL is a bonus. You'll operate everything from bucket trucks, walk-behind trenchers, tall extension ladders, and of course hand tools like shovels, picks, and rakes. Networking skills include splicing Ethernet and fiber optic jumpers and cables to connect to MontanaSky's ultra-high-speed internet. Grow skills in a high-demand field, and help protect our team and assets with a safety-first mindset. Join us, and you'll be part of a company that values your contribution, offers growth opportunities, and equips you to connect Northwest Montana like never before. Interested? Look for our job off on Indeed.com. Just search for MontanaSky Kalispell. Thanks for your interest in MontanaSky Networks. We get Northwest Montana connected and keep them connected.